perception orang, which is nak buat dessert is murah dan dia untung banyak. Especially kalau kita tengok brand-brand, banyak brand dari China yang datang jual ice cream kan. Dia jual berapa ringgit tapi dia punya untung banyak kan. Betul ke dessert boleh untung banyak ke?
Before starting business, I pun ingat macam ni.
Okay.
Tapi reality bukan.
Okay.
Yeah, so recently I buat satu video kata like most dessert shops looks profitable but they aren't. Yeah, sebab memang ada banyak hidden cost yang tak customer tak nampak. Yeah, so bahan-bahan mahal ada wastage. Kalau staff buat salah ada wastage. Then ada banyak hidden cost, machine breakdown, nak fix ni, fix that. Then pipe leakage, suddenly the water bill dia jalan-jalan kita tak realise 1 bulan 1,000 lebih.
Okay.
Yeah,
This is all personal experience. Okay.
Memang ada banyak hidden cost yang kita tak kira.
Yelah, I think there's a trend kan, especially yelah amongst orang muda kan. There's a trend to open your own business, jadi entrepreneur. So ramai orang macam jual the vision kan. You barely bahan ni, you buat macam ni, you jual ni, you dapat profit macam ni kan. Which is, it sounds good on social media kan. Tapi reality ni, you tak kira kos ni, kalau ni jadi kan.
Yeah.
The reality is not so sweet kan.
Yes.